everyone, and welcome back. If Buffer isn't posting to LinkedIn or your scheduled LinkedIn posts keep failing, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Buffer LinkedIn posting issues in 2026 using your Windows PC or Mac. Let's go through the best solutions step by step. First, log into your Buffer account and open your LinkedIn channel. Check whether your LinkedIn account or LinkedIn page is still connected. If you've recently changed your LinkedIn password or updated your account security, Buffer may require you to reconnect the account. If the account is disconnected, click the Reconnect option and sign in to LinkedIn again. Approve all requested permissions so Buffer can publish posts on your behalf. Next, make sure you still have permission to post. If you're publishing to a LinkedIn company page, confirm that you're an admin or have the required posting access. Without the proper permissions, Buffer won't be able to publish your content. Now, review the post you're trying to publish. Check your text, links, images, and videos to make sure they meet LinkedIn's content requirements. Unsupported media files or formatting issues can cause publishing to fail. If you're uploading an image or video, try uploading the file again or use a different supported format. Sometimes a damaged media file can prevent the post from being published. Next, refresh the Buffer dashboard and verify that your internet connection is stable. A weak connection can interrupt the publishing process. If the problem continues, clear your browser's cache and cookies, close the browser completely, reopen it, and sign back into Buffer.